Welcome to this introduction to fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency trading. There are two main methods used to analyze financial assets and make investment decisions: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Technical analysis is based on the underlying principle markets always price in all known information. It looks for historically repeating trends in price movement data to predict future direction. Fundamental analysis is based on examining the fair value of an asset on the principle that over the medium to long term, the market price will return to this. Fair value is based on the current supply to demand ratio and expected future supply and demand trends. Other factors which will vary between asset classes could be overheads involved in production or management. In the case of cryptocurrencies, current and future supply and demand sentiment form the crux of fundamental analysis. Calculating the supply-to-demand ratio is simplified in the case of cryptocurrencies by the fact there is a cap on maximum overall supply. The pace of supply increases leading up to that final cap is also predictable. For example, Bitcoin's price soared in November and December on the news that Bitcoin futures would start trading on established regulated futures and commodities exchanges in the USA. This was accepted as a sign the cryptocurrency was entering the financial mainstream, with the expected result that overall demand would rise as a result. The more smart contracts and other decentralized applications being built on the Ethereum platform, the more the Ether cryptocurrency will be in demand. So fundamental analysis of Ether's price would look at trends in the use of the Ethereum platform when predicting future price trends. In Ripple's case, banks starting to use the Ripple blockchain platform in settlement and clearance procedures, or the probability of more doing so in the future, would be crucial to fundamental analysis. Most traders agree that while they tend to have a preference towards relying more on fundamental or technical analysis techniques, the most accurate results comes from a combination of the two.